Okay, now we're given another point Q on BC such that the new triangle Q to A to B is congruent to RCD. Okay, let's try to get rid of some of this information that are not necessary. Okay, just to clean up the diagram a little bit, and then you can add things back in. I definitely need RC, and I know that this is 1 unit. This entire, okay, this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, the entire line was 6 units, and this is 3Q, which is given from here. If I go from here to here, okay, from A to D. Now, question says Q is a point on BC, so I'm going to draw a new point Q on BC somewhere here, such that the triangle formed Q A B is congruent, same size, same shape as RCD. And question says I wish to find QR, which is this line in red now. Okay, there are several things we can do. One is I go from Q to B, B to A to R, Q to C, C to D, D to R. Both are possible. Okay, so let's try. If I were to go from Q to B, I need to know what is QB. Using the idea of congruent triangles, I write down first, since I know that QAB is congruent to RCD. So if I were to match the vertex QB, the length QB, which I'm trying to find here, the length must be equals to the length RD, which is here. Okay. Therefore, if I would consider the same direction vector, B to Q, the vector BQ must be equals to the vector RD, since they have the same length and the same direction, same magnitude, same direction. Okay, now using the previous part, RD is 2 units out of 6 units, so it's 2 over 6 of the entire vector AD, which was given to be 3Q. This gives me Q. For the vector BQ, it is Q. So if I were to go backwards, it should be negative Q. Okay, now we have that. We can actually start writing down. I want to find QR. I will need to go from Q to B. Start at Q, go to B. Then from B, I go down to A. And from A, I go over to R. In this U shape. Kind of like a very long journey. QB is negative of Q plus BA, which is negative of 2P, plus AR. Okay, AR is here. AR, if this is Q, this is 2Q, 3Q, this should be 2Q. So plus 2Q. This will give you an answer of minus negative Q plus 2Q. Q plus minus becomes minus 2P. Answer Q minus 2P.